The man on the wheelchair, stretch your hand. Tell him in the language. Who can interpret for him? Tell him. The Lord did not keep him there. And the Lord will take him out. He is healed. The power of God on his body. And set him free. Make him whole. Life to his bones. Life to his bones. Life to his legs. Now, let paralysis go and be free. That's it. It's free. 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 Rise up and come. Is this how you celebrate miracles? Let him will it.
Okay, the sister, sir.
The sister.
Yes, sir.
Will it. If this is how you celebrate miracle in Brescia,